Hi there, just wanted to give you a quick invite to an open house this weekend. We're running about Saturday and Sunday 1 to 4. Beautiful bi-level, 1,800 square feet. Come out, take a look, watch the rest of the video. We'll see you Saturday or Sunday 1 to 4. Here we are inside the large and bright, as I said, 1,800 square foot, bi-level, 3 bedrooms up, 1 down. Home's really designed for entertaining. Look at the massive eating area with the kitchen. It's going to become the hub of the home. Huge formal living room. Perfect environment for the games on the cold days. Let's take a quick sneak peek of the master bedroom. Large room with a 4-piece ensuite, walk-in closet, and you can see that it will accommodate the largest of beds. So as I said, open house here this weekend. We'll be here Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 4. So if you have any free time, please feel free to pop in and say hi. Come visit us. I'd love to show you the property. And if you have any questions, reach out to us. Don't hesitate. Thanks. Otherwise, we'll see you Saturday or Sunday.